For today's video, I made bitter melon. I got tomato, eggs, and tomatoes. Masarap. Ayan, kumuha na naman ako ng kimbap kasi naubos na yung kagabi. Mabenta yung kimbap ko. Sa mga anak ko lang mauubos. We made another kimbap because we have extra vegetable. So, and then we got some bitter melon, tomatoes, eggs, and of course onion and garlic. Sayang naman ng vegetable kaya kung hindi ko gagamitin, kaya I made another kebab. Naubos na yung kagabi. So, okay, thanks for watching, guys.